The Indigenous People's Front of Tripura significantly bolstered its presence in the 9 Halhali Ashrambari constituency this Sunday following a targeted door-to-door mobilization campaign, where a total of 23 voters from 6 families officially renounced their previous affiliations to join the IPFT.Candidate Manimay Debbarma presided over the joining ceremony, formally welcoming the new members.
Long live, long live.
IPFT, long live.
Long live, long live.
Tripura land, long live.
Long live, long live.
Oh ha, Chini ha.
Chini ha, Chini ha.
Rangsa kano yakarya.
Yakarya, yakarya.
Edisiran Tripura land Sinamnai.
Sinamnai, Sinamnai.
Edisiran hachingkol sabo yakarya.
Yakarya, yakarya.
Edisiran Trithop sabo yakarya.
Yakarya, yakarya.
Edisiran Tripura land Sinamnai.
Sinamnai, Sinamnai.
IPFT, long live.
Long live, long live.
As the 2026 TTEDC election campaign intensifies across all constituencies, the Indigenous People's Front of Tripura continues to consolidate its grassroots support. On Sunday, the party's candidate for 9 Halhali Ashrambari Manimay Debbarma formally welcomed 23 voters from 6 families into the organization.
Belanya hambai Chini media rongno tini anu jorari mabai tini ujagawo BJP temo thaya karoi tini Chini party IPFT na Tripura leni dimanno hamjago tini Chini IPFT party o borok tini joining khlainani bagai phaija ei 6 poribar prai 23 voter tini Chini o IPFT party na hamjago tini joining khlai pekya
bong logete next ro final
next ro final khanabo abo khanatebo kubang final
mo bo am saya tini joining khema jara
mo am chai hinke e tamsinani noi halal Ashrambari ni bisingo champa hawa
nin chini mo
angke noi halal Ashrambari ni candidate pada IPFT ni Manimay Debbarma.
Reporter Biplov from Khorang, Chini Khorang.